It's day 14 here and we've got our first coat of our over-screed waterproofing gone in and it's looking pretty good. Everything is completely blue now. So that means we're very close to being finished with our waterproofing installation. Just have a look at a couple of the key features here. First of all, down into our strip drain here. Nice continuous blue system, looking really good. Then we have a look over at our underfloor heating penetration here. That one's looking a little bit ugly at the moment, so I think they just need to patch that up, make it all blue, and then of course seal around it when the underfloor heating cables come in. That'll be the next thing immediately after. Sealed around our water stop angle, or lack thereof, where our underfloor heating is going to run into our shower here. Our drain point in the center of the floor here, double flange system has actually been well sealed as well. And then finally, you can see how this works, where we have a power point in a wall space that requires waterproofing here. We'll still need to do some sealant around the actual cable here where it comes through, just to make sure that's all good. But then our power point will actually mount into these threaded slots there that are contained within that housing. So that's pretty much it. You can see the upturn all the way around the perimeter has been done. So there's no more gray of that polyurethane that's been applied underneath. And that's about it for today. We'll check in tomorrow.